Personally, I love BochaSweet, and this is because it tastes and is healthier than any other sugar, any other alternative to sugar, sugar replacement that you are going to find anywhere in the world. BochaSweet can help you by assisting you with your weight loss, maintaining or even lowering your A1C, along with looking and feeling your best. All without sacrificing your favorite sweetened foods and beverages. Look at it this way. Sugar and even healthier alternatives such as honey, agave, coconut sugar, they throw you out of keto and lead you closer to full-blown diabetes. You don't want that. Instead, make the switch to BochaSweet, an all-natural, zero-calorie, zero-glycemic sweetener derived from organically grown kabocha pumpkins, prized in Japan for enhancing longevity and packed with an impressive nutrition profile. Look at these great real Amazon 5-star reviews on this amazing sweetener. J. Carlin says, delicious and doesn't raise blood glucose. I love BochaSweet. I am a type 1 diabetic and this doesn't affect my blood glucose levels. It tastes wonderful too. Here is one by Annette 10. If you're diabetic or overweight, you've got it made with this sugar. This is the perfect sugar, bar none. Had it not been for a diabetic friend of mine telling me about it, I never would have known about it. For those that are doing keto, Karen Kramer says, keto sugar go-to. I am on keto. So far, this is the best sweetener I've tried. At the end, if you really want to succeed in your personal goal of weight loss, healthy A1C, successful keto lifestyle, then look no further. BochaSweet is your answer.